Yeah.
That is so interesting how you...
What?
Is it so interesting? Why do you want to film this? That's like, okay.
Okay.
Do I know you?
Huh?
Do I know you?
Oh.
You're so weird. Unbelievable. Hey, your hair looks brown in this screen.
My what?
Your hair looks brown in this screen. No, actually red. It looks red, your hair. It's kind of funny. A Mexican with red hair. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Where do you want to go?
Yeah.